Well, we're going to head on over to meteorologist Alison Pryor for your forecast. Alison, I know this week has been beautiful. A lot of people have been getting outside to do some walking, but as far as tomorrow, it looks like some rain showers could come our way.
Yeah, absolutely. So some scattered showers tomorrow afternoon. Really tomorrow night is what we're going to be watching out for widespread rain and also storms with that. So tomorrow's going to be a storm alert weather day. Today's not going to be quite as pretty as yesterday and Monday in the sense we're not going to have the bright blue sky and sunshine all day long, but you still get those warmer temperatures, and we're feeling that warmth already this morning. Now there's quite the big temperature spread kind of depending on where you are. Notice Murphy at 30 degrees, Dayton's also at 30 degrees, but a lot of the rest of the area, so is Cleveland, is in the 40s to 50 degrees. So Athens, Dalton at 50, 51, and Altamont. So we do have this wind from the south that's already been picking up during the nighttime hours at 9 miles per hour. That's going to be with us all day long. In fact, it's going to get breezy at times for this afternoon. Now that's going to help fuel those warmer temperatures, even though we'll have increasing clouds. So for the next few hours overall, those locations that are in the 40s now hovering around that 50-degree mark will pretty much stay there. I think we may drop a couple of degrees here in Chattanooga and those other locations through 8 a.m. and then start our climb back up. Now at 8 a.m. I think we'll have mostly sunny skies, but clouds will be increasing through the morning and continuing into the afternoon. So eventually becoming mostly cloudy skies. But notice that's not going to stop that fuel for those warmer temperatures. So still another mild day for the middle of February, 65 degrees at 4 o'clock. Generally highs today ranging from about 60 to 65. Tomorrow is also going to be warm too because we're still in what we call that warm sector, all ahead of a cold front moving through tomorrow night. So here's the picture right now, very quiet across the southeast. We just have a few high thin clouds that are sweeping across our area, but most of the region, if you do want to step outside and see the full moon, you should be able to see it. And then here's this cold front that we're keeping an eye on much further to the west. Still, it's going to evolve a little bit, bringing some storms developing in the Central Plains states for today, and then all that storm activity developing for us locally tomorrow. So here's a check of futurecast then. So beginning to see those clouds increasing this morning. I have a 10% chance today. There's a very slim chance that there may be a spotty little sprinkle as those clouds are kind of pushing through in the higher elevations today, but overall still dry today. So enjoy your Wednesday in that mild air. Again, just remember that wind is going to be a little bit stronger from the south, those gusts at about 20 to 30 miles per hour with those increasing clouds. As we look ahead to Thursday, if you have to do some work outside on Thursday, try to get it done in the morning or the first part of the afternoon. Yes, there will be a chance for an isolated shower at that point, but overall still dry conditions. It'll be the middle of the afternoon, 3, 4 o'clock. We're going to start to get some scattered showers. These will just be showers. Notice the system further to the west. This is where we're going to have that chance for some storms moving across our region. For us, that timeline right now looks from about 6 p.m. to midnight from west to east. So depending on where you are, there's certainly going to be embedded thunderstorms with us, heavy rainfall rates, also the potential for some damaging wind gusts as well. And we're going to continue to see that pushing across the area. By midnight, pretty much all done. Cold front sweeps through. That's going to bring much colder and drier air for Friday. Clouds clearing out for Friday afternoon, but highs on Friday only in the 40s. So first up, let's talk about that severe weather outlook for Thursday. So here's the big picture. You'll notice if you're watching yesterday, this yellow region is bigger. So that means now part of our area is under that level 2 slight risk. So what does that mean? Well, it means scattered severe storms are possible. That's going to include basically Lafayette, Chattanooga, Soddy, Daisy, all the way up to Decatur and westward at that level 2. The rest of the area is at level 1. So take home point. Everybody, you have a chance for some strong to severe storms tomorrow. The primary threat will be these damaging high winds, but we could also see some small hail, and it's not zero, but there is a very low chance for an isolated tornado as well, especially for those locations that are highlighted in that yellow at that level 2. So today's a good day. Make sure you know what your severe weather safety plan is, so that way you're prepared for Thursday evening. Now let's talk about the rainfall. Total rainfall with this event, easily a ½ inch to an inch and a half. We may have a couple of spots that end up around that 2-inch mark, kind of just depending on where some of those stronger storms develop. But again, right now, about a ½ inch to an inch and a half, probably not causing flooding issues, but there may be ponding water on roads that could cause some hydroplaning. So certainly do be careful. Last thing I want to mention are our wind gusts. So I already said it, today's going to be breezy. We'll have wind at about 20 to 30 miles per hour for those wind gusts for today, the afternoon, continuing through tonight. Tomorrow, even ahead of those storms, it's going to get really breezy. So this is Thursday afternoon. You'll start to see even some spots here with that red. That's indicating over 30 miles per hour. And then notice as we head through the evening time, as those storms are sweeping through, you're getting more of these spots here showing 40, 50 miles per hour potentially as those storms are passing. So tomorrow, those wind gusts, we're looking at about 30 to 40 miles per hour. So today, 65. Increasing clouds, gusts at 20 to 30. That shouldn't cause too many problems, but may blow around unsecured objects. And then overnight, 54, mostly cloudy and mild. So tomorrow morning really is going to be even warmer than what we're dealing with right now. And then tomorrow, 69, those evening storms, winds sustained from the south at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts at 30 to 40 miles per hour. So kind of a lot's going to be happening on Thursday, particularly Thursday afternoon through the evening hours until about midnight. So even though today we'll have more clouds, it's still a quiet day that you could enjoy. And we'll have quiet weather again on Friday, but just much cooler. So 69 for your high on Thursday, 48 for that high on Friday.
And it looks like it's going to clear up just in time for the weekend, so that's something to get excited about.
Yeah, I mean, the weekend's going to be great. Lots of sunshine, cold in the morning, but still milder temperatures for the afternoon.
All right, Allison, thank you.